today's video, I'm going to be demonstrating how I clean my clip-ins. These clip-ins are from Curls Queen. The information for these clip-ins are going to be linked in the description down below as well. Okay, so this piece right here, I'm still going to wash it, but I didn't use it the last time I installed these. Yeah, I'm just going to group them together. These are already grouped, so I'm just going to group them together so that way it's easier for me to wash them and they don't tangle. For shampoo, I like to go in with my neutralizing shampoo. This is some leftover neutralizing shampoo that I had used the other day on my actual hair. Shampoo that I'm just using. It strips all the gunk that's on the hair, any product that's on the hair, so that's why I like to use it as well. I'm gonna rest the ones that I've already dipped over to the side and just do them piece by piece pretty much. These are the clip-ins. I ended up washing my straight clip-ins as well, but these are the clip-ins after I rinsed them out, and now they're in conditioner, so I'm gonna let them sit for about probably 30 minutes and then rinse them out and then let them air dry. I kind of let them sit for roughly 45 minutes instead of the 30 minutes, so now I'm gonna rinse them out and I'm gonna hang them on this hanger. There are plenty of wig hangers. I don't have one, so I'm gonna put it on this hanger like this and hang them on there so that way they can dry faster. And honestly, when you hang your wigs or your clip-ins or anything like that on hangers like this, they dry faster. Well, in my experience, they've been drying a lot faster, so that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, I just finished rinsing these. Y'all, I can't get over how pretty these curls are. Oh my gosh, to me the camera ain't doing it justice, but the curls are so pretty. I really do love the light yaki straight bundles here. These are the light yaki bundles. I did a video on these. These were the very first clip-ins that Curls Queen sent me, and they mimic my natural hair so beautifully. It blends so well. My only dilemma is how am I going to get it on the hanger? Put elastic band or rubber band around it and then clip it on there so that way it can just hang like that. Let's see. I have these here, so I'm gonna use these. As long as this does not fall, then yeah, it's gonna hold it. Yeah. If you guys know a much a better way to hang your clip-ins when you're letting them dry, please comment them down below. This is what I came up with. These are the clip-ins, and the information for both of these clip-ins are going to be listed in the description box below, listed in my OTK as well. If you guys are interested in these clip-ins, you'll be able to find all that information down there. If you guys have any tips to better hang your clip-ins, please comment them down below. I'm always open to suggestions and learning from you guys as well. We are a family, we are learning, and we are growing. Thank you guys. I'll check y'all out in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.